Yummy, yummy in my belly. My first day of cooking, putting a pizza in the microwave. The pizza's still in the microwave somehow. Let's just cook it. 30 seconds. Yeah, this is gonna be fast because I'm gonna pause the video. My pizza's ready.
Oh.
Yummy, yummy.
My journey.
No. Oh, I'm gonna eat this pizza. Nom nom. I put it in the table to eat. Now let's go biting. For real. I'm gonna record. Yummy, yummy.
Coughing on my food.
It went into my throat. The pizza sauce got stuck in my throat. Oh yeah, by the way, this pizza is awesome, busting. Chefs, mwah, mwah. I'm probably gonna eat the rest.
A few moments later.
I don't like the crust. Too hard. If I had cheese, then y'all eat it. Or if I what sauce? That's weird. Yeah, by the way, that pizza was goddamn good. Oh my god, that was so good. Yeah, by the way. Oh yeah, but. I'm good. Let me get something to drink. Is that what I see? Strawberry Fanta. Let me check the fridge. OMG. I just hit the jackpot, bro. There's Strawberry Crush. My second favorite. My first favorite is the Freddy Fazbear's Fanta. Let me grab it. Freddy Fazbear's Fanta's good. I'm gonna drink this thing. I'm gonna lay down. Go.